was former Chief Minister Gujarat Vijay Rupani. He was on board, is what we are told. We have that confirmation coming in. Also, the DGCA statement tells us about the name of the pilots. The pilot's name, Captain Sumit Sabharwal and First Officer Clive Kunder. This is from the DGCA statement that I'm quoting. Clearly experienced, seasoned pilots, a team of 2, and I'm sure they tried their best to save the life of passengers and the cabin crew. But within minutes, this is again a question mark on what precisely happened. We do not know the cause of the fire. All right, Tata Group has put out a statement. On your screens, ladies and gentlemen, Tata Group statement. Assisting emergency response teams right now. And this, of course, remember, has to be a collective joint effort. The government has come in, emergency services are on the job. Tata Group expressing grief over the plane crash. Visuals from your screen. It looks like a commercial building has also been hit. The kind of items and objects that are being brought out from the crash site show that there were these hardware material. Possibly there were offices nearby as well. Viewer, on your screen are the injured passengers who are being rushed to the hospital. We have, of course, blurred out, but I can tell you these are graphic visuals. The injuries have been very critical, understandably so. And our prayers and thoughts with those who were on the passenger list and the loved ones who had the family members or friends who were traveling en route London. This is a moment of tragedy and grief. The whole country stands by the passengers who were on board, their family members as well, family members of the pilots too. Extent of casualties is not yet confirmed. Emergency services are at the scene. We are constantly putting out and trying our best to put out confirmed information. I'm already receiving a lot of queries about other passengers, their safety, and I completely understand that that will be a question that will be put forth, but I will only put in the confirmed the confirmation from the authorities. 3 passengers, or so to say 3 people on board at least have been confirmed. We'll try and ascertain the details about their safety. One is former Chief Minister of Gujarat Vijay Rupani, passenger number 12, on board this aircraft. Then, of course, the 2 pilots' names, experienced pilots, their names have also been confirmed. Different visuals, more and more visuals on your screen right now. One of the aircraft in the air. Seconds later, you can see a huge explosion, smoke and fire right next to the aircraft. Now, possibly the pilot had a minute or so to be able to go around in the sky. That is the reason that the Mayday call was sent out, and then the plane could not land, at least not even with an emergency landing. That means something horribly went wrong and that the landing could not happen. Emergency services are on the job. We are told that there was a Mayday call and then radio silence. The DGCA has put out the statement about the Boeing 787 aircraft. Tail number VTANB departed from the runway at 1:39 p.m. Air traffic control reported receiving a Mayday call from the aircraft before all the communication was lost. The plane then fell to the ground right outside the airport perimeter immediately after the departure. Heavy black smoke was seen rising from the crash site, according to the DGCA. What a horrific tragedy that has unfolded right next to the Ahmedabad airport. But what begs the question is, the takeoff happens, and this is right still hovering over the airport, which means barely a few minutes that the takeoff has happened. What then goes so horribly wrong that the aircraft crashed? The flight was under the command of Captain Sumit Sabharwal, a licensed type commander. 8,002 hours of experience. First Officer Clive Kunder, again a seasoned, experienced captain. Investigation will already, of course, be initiated. But the videos that have emerged from locals in the area, from our teams on the ground, show the kind of gravity of the crash that has taken place after the takeoff from Ahmedabad. Plume of thick black smoke into the sky. Thoughts and prayers with the passengers, with their family members. I can only imagine right now everyone would be trying to ascertain about the safety, about the life of those who are